we're going to do a paddock move, a paddock shift. We move this paddock every 4 days and move the structure every 2 days within the paddock. We'll be taking up the old nets and placing them in the new paddock area. After that is accomplished, we'll back up to the structure, hook it up, pull forward to the new paddock. The chickens will just walk to the new paddock and I'll lay out the feed and water, and once they're all the way through, we'll close them into the new area, and then the old nets get picked up after that. All right, now we're gonna take up the net from the old paddock. I have one already gathered up here. This is what it should look like when we're done. So I want to demonstrate how we do it here on the farm. It's laid out, so I'm going to grab it and just grab it right in the middle of the stake. Put the end that goes in the ground away from me. Just walk, holding it out away from my body, grab the next stake. 2 stakes together, and it just coils up as we go along. There's 15 stakes in these nets. It gets a little bit full if you don't have a real large hand. Another option is to take it and put it in the kind of the fold of your arm there, and it's a little bit easier to handle more netting. So we've gotten to the end, and we have the connection here to make the spark connect to the fences. So we just pull that apart, and then we have a slip knot tying the 2 nets together about halfway down. You can pull that with one hand. That way you're not having to set this down in the grass and have to pick it back up. So slip knot's important. And then we pick that one back up, and then we're ready to go. We'll walk up to the new paddock and lay it out. Okay, now I'm going to lay out the new paddock with the nets, and what's really important is to make sure your ends of the old paddock and new paddock, the ends of the nets, meet when you open them up so you don't have chickens escaping. So you want a solid enclosure. So I'm looking down to where my charger and the joint on my net is. I'm going to pick a stake or pick a corner where I'm going to turn my paddock. I'm going to count down, and that's how many sections I need to go this way from that same point. So I'm going to count. I need about 4 sections of fence from this stake here. So I'm going to go up 4 sections and lay it out to that corner and then turn to make my rectangle. So take my first stake, I stick it in the ground, and then I'm going to just drop out each stake as I go. Get to my corner and start my turn, and I want to put the turn on at least 2 stakes. I want to have the angle on at least 2 stakes before I go straight again. All right, I'm getting to the end. I'm going to put this in the ground and work my way back, putting the stakes in. All right, as I'm going along, I'm using my foot to put a little bit of tension in the bottom of the fence to keep it straight and tight. As I near my corner, I'm going to put a little bit of a cant, outward cant, so that the corner is upright. Now I'm going to stop there because I'm going to have to pull this fence back up to meet my joint to move the chicken, so I'm not going to put any more up. And we'll continue on for the other 2 nets.